Hello everyone, Radsman Law here. Another episode of Learning Your Rights. If you've been following us in the month of July, you know that we're looking at the Second Amendment and what our rights are underneath the Second Amendment, which reads, a well-regulated militia being necessary for the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Today we're looking at the part that says the right of the people to keep and bear arms. That right is not related to being in the militia. If you look at how the Second Amendment is written, there's a comma in between the militia clause and the people bearing arms clause. That's the layman terms for it. We'll keep it simple. And the right of the people to keep and bear arms, even if someone told you, well, that means you have to be in the militia. No, the way it's written, and you can tell them if you've seen our other videos. If you haven't watched them, you can go back on our Facebook page or YouTube channel. But the way the law is written is that we, the people, are the militia, the unorganized militia. So that argument doesn't work. Our rights to keep and bear arms as free citizens in this country are based nothing more other than God granting us the right to keep and bear arms. We don't need authorization from a government or by man giving us that right. All right. The other thing is that in 2008, the Supreme Court clarified what it means for the right of the people to keep and bear arms. In a landmark decision, Heller versus D.C., that's Washington, D.C. as the nation's capital, there was restrictive gun rights where you had to have a purchase permit or a permit to have a working gun in your house. There was a federal police officer who wanted to keep a working pistol in his home for protection. He applied for the permit to do so, and they denied him. He appealed all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court held that the law violated the Second Amendment. Okay, so that is a landmark case because it clarifies that we as American citizens have the right to keep arms in our homes without government interference, without needing a special permit or a training class. That those rights are granted to us and preserved under the Second Amendment. Okay? If you guys have questions about this or you want to get some firearm training, please give us a call, 248-702-5282. If you need help picking out a firearm for your personal protection or protection at home and your family, Radsman Law would love to help you with that process. Message us on our website, radsmanlaw.com, or through Facebook. I look forward to hearing from you, to training you, and we'll stay safe and we'll see you out at the range.